fun to be back on the court competing. You know, it's always a good opportunity to compete. But yeah, I enjoyed it.
Singles tomorrow.
Yeah.
How are you feeling about that?
It'll be a good match. I know the guy. Well, I know. Yeah, I know the guy. He's a good player. It's gonna be a good match, and I'm looking forward to it. It'll be a good. It's good to play good players because you're gonna get good preparation. It's gonna be a good measuring stick.
I haven't played with Randy in a while, so I mean, I feel like every match we're gonna get better. So yeah, it was good.
And you play tomorrow. You go into singles tomorrow. What are your thoughts on that?
I'm not really sure like who I play. I haven't checked the draw yet. But like yeah, I'm just about to go practice to get ready. Feeling good on the court. Playing well, so
I think things have gotten off to a very smooth start, thank God. I mean, running well at both venues, the referee is happy, so by extension we're happy. But it's great to have international tennis back here at the Eric Bell National Tennis Center. It's a good start to the year, and hopefully we'll continue that momentum in the weeks and months ahead.
Our interest looking for the second event?
Good, far as would be expected, even far higher than the first. I mean, for events like this, if we can accommodate 60 players, whatever, we may have 600 entries. People trying to get into the qualifying, people requesting wildcards. So we'll definitely have a full event. I'm sure a lot of players on week 1 are going to stay over, trying to get into the week 2 draw.
What are the prospects you believe of this event? I mean, it's generating a lot of interest. I can see a lot of people are even following my page, trying to get information. So clearly, on YouTube, they're watching the videos. The importance you think of this event for the prospect of Jamaica's tennis?
Well, I think just having international events here in Jamaica, our partnership with ITF, this is the first and second of many for this year, and the aim is to build up, even have a longer circuit in Jamaica, both men's and women's. I think it's great, as I've always said, it allows Jamaican fans the opportunity to watch high quality tennis, that allows our players the opportunity to get ranking points right here in Jamaica. So it's a win-win right around, and God's willing we'll work on strengthening that partnership going forward.